Just imagine one of the easiest and the most underrated digital product you can make just in few minutes and makes you earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. And to get straight to the point, let me show you this example. If you revert with me to Etsy.com, here in the search bar, look for something very important and very valuable digital product. That is checklist. Here you can find many of these sellers do well here on Etsy.com and sell this amazing item like a rocket. Here you can find thousands or 10,000s of these sales as you see with beautiful ratings and so on. So for sure, the checklist here, it's amazing, just a list of tasks. People can do it because he doesn't want to forget anything important in his process to reach his goal or to reach his destination. And for sure, for example, like this amazing one checklist is here. It's about the camping niche. Here you can find it's available right now here, and that means the checklist is the easiest digital product you can think of to build up your own digital empire, and for sure still available here in 2026. So now, Raymond, why people actually need to purchase these checklists? First one, because people actually here nowadays are bombarded and overwhelmed with many informations from different destinations. They can get information from AI tools, from different articles, YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. So people on the other side need also to be need some clarity and different tasks in order and in clean format. So checklist comes to the screen because here you can find the clear outcome, the clear order, the clean sequence of your tasks and your steps. Secondly, for sure, checklist reduce some risks. And of course, just imagine here, people can think of a checklist. I just need checklist because I don't want to forget something very important, okay? Or probably I just if I follow all these steps or these tasks properly, I will reach my goal. And for that reason, and that's why many pilots, engineers, and content creators really still use a checklist in their process and their projects. So checklist is more valuable for many people. And number three, for sure, a checklist is perfect for the fear of mistakes markets, like something like visa applications or travel abroad or traveling in general or wedding planning and so on and so forth. So here you can find many niches. For sure, people in this field need checklist to make them order in a clean sequence. And number four, checklist is suitable for different formats. You can make your own checklist or checklist bundle, and it could be like a lead magnet to build your own email list, or as a funnel for your own tripwire or your own valuable digital product. It could be a course or ebook or something. So lead magnet just by using a checklist. And it could be like a product and value product here on Etsy.com or Gumroad, as you see here. Just a checklist bundle here for camping, for wedding planning, and so on. So here, if you just try something else in Etsy checklist, here you can find this auto suggestion checklist for kids, checklist for cooking, checklist personalized, checklist planners, stickers, checklist for wedding, and so on and so forth. So people are already searching for checklist for different purposes. So now, Raymond, how we can create these checklist easily and valuable checklist. For sure, you can find many external many here you can find out there many tools help you to make your own checklist. So for example, you can head over to this amazing website that is checklist.gg. Here you can find thousands of these checklists completely for free in different niches and different formats as you want. So for sure you can go to this one checklist or templates, then you can find here amazing checklists. It could be like for compliance software checklist, automation, SEO checklist, and so on. So you can just repurpose the checklist as you see. Or for sure, you can also on the checklist.gg you can find an amazing AI checklist builder. Or you can head over to Gemini.google and here to insert here your own topic like a checklist for wedding planner and some wedding planning and so on. Then select from tools this canvas and then you can find an amazing checklist for you. But here we all stuck in a specific thing, a specific problem. People, how we can know that people need this checklist exactly for their own purposes or for their own project or something like that. Here you can listen what people are asking and need to make their stuff to be in order or in a checklist format. So here you can head over to many social media platforms like Reddit, subreddits, and Twitter or X.com, TikTok, and so on to just validate how you can build your own checklist based on a specific problem to solve via your own checklist. And alternatively, I just gave you an awesome solution for you just to make that faster than you can think and for sure more valuable digital product. Just by using my tool, Ask to Income tool. Here you can convert real people questions and demand into digital income systems. Here, for sure, in this amazing tool, you can convert many questions from people, from Google, from social media, and so on to build your own empire digital item. Your digital, your empire and digital income streams. So here for sure you can find these steps. Pick your niche, a high demand niche, then choose a trending topic here, and select the frequently asked questions that extracted directly from Google or answer here your custom question just that you can get from different sources from your imagination and so on. And then you can find get a trending key, then trending questions people are asking right now here on social media. Then it's time to generate your own income streams like a boss. So for sure, just we can go with me in this follow this workflow step by step. Just by going choose niche, and here I can set something like we can go for camping. Okay, then you can find the second step. Choose your topic here. One of the most trending topics here. So I can go to this, how to camp solo safely. Then you can find the best and the most pressing questions people are asking daily on Google. So I can take one of them randomly like this one, what to buy for solo camping. Or even for sure you can insert here your own question as you want, or you can get from these questions you have chosen your trending questions from social media or people listener. So I can just skip this one and go to this one, turn this question into a business. Here you can find a beautiful blueprint income report that enables you to find the most beautiful gaps and opportunities, how you can monetize and make your own digital income stream based on this single question. Okay, and here you can find the phase number 2, content to cash asset pack, to build your own weapons here to go viral and build your own authority. So here you can go this one, the premium digital product empire, and here you can find this amazing one, checklist bundle. Here you can create your own ready to sell checklist bundle for this specific demand from people. So let's try and click over this button, checklist bundle. As you see, essential gear bundle for solo camping here. The first one, the preparation planning checklist. Then you can find step-by-step execution checklist. Then you can find this one, the third checklist, safety risk management checklist. Okay, and daily maintenance and the best practices checklist as you see. Amazing checklist for you and for your audience based on a real demand, a real question from people. So that way you can validate the idea of your digital product and this checklist and ready to sell immediately. And the best part here on Ask to Income, here you can get your own bundle in a PDF format. So click over this button and here you can find this PDF ready for you as you see. Perfect. Okay. So that's why you can use Ask to Income tool to build your own digital empire and sell your digital and checklist bundle like a boss. And for sure, here you can get the pro plan on the pro plan of Ask to Income here as a valuable bonus if you get the Digi Playbook if you want to promote your own digital products in a proven system and structured framework to get consistent sales and in short time, even if you don't have any prior experience or skills or audience knows your name. So you can find all these links down below in the first comment and description box waiting for you. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.